Number 11, I look at that. That's not a cubic. It's not factor by grouping. That just simply means, hey, just factor out. So 3 and n, they have a common factor of 3. Into the fourth, into the sixth. So into the fourth is the most I can factor out. A y squared, y is the most I can factor out. Now we just simply figure out what was left behind. In this first piece, everything, 3ny4, we factored it all out. So a 1 is left behind. You must have the 1 there. Plus, okay, we had a 9. 3 times what? 3 times 3 would have given me the 9. Into the fourth, we need into the sixth. So that's an n squared. You factor out a y, you had a y squared, so you have a y there. This distributed through to each piece will give you back that whole thing. It's simply just factoring out. Number 12, I look at it, same thing, just factoring out. So I think 45 and 18, common factor, looks like a 3. N cubed, n4, so I factor out an n cubed, a y and a y, so pull those y's out. 3 times 15 gives me 45. N cubed y, already factor them out. So now minus 3 times a 6 gives me the 18. I pulled out into the third. He has into the fourth, so an n is still there, and the y has been pulled out. So it simply breaks down to that. Excuse me. Number 13, well, an 8 obviously comes out, an n comes out, an x comes out, and a y squared comes out. Well, we factored the whole thing out. So there's a 1 there holding its place. Minus, well, we took an 8 out, an n out, an x out. He has y to the third. We pulled y squared out, so there's just a single y left behind. 14, 100 and 200 have a common factor of 100. N cubed, so I can pull an n cubed out. B ninth, pull a b out. Same thing. We factored everybody out of that first part right here. We factored everybody out. So there's a 1 left behind. Plus 2 will give us the 200. N cubed, we factored the n cubed out. It has b9. We only took a single b out. So b to the 8th is left behind.